students, now we going to discuss about chapter 7 triangles. Then last class we started the exercise. We know that here how many properties we learned for this exercise 7.1 proving is three properties you want. First property is SAS property, second property is ASA property, third property is AAS property. These three property required for proving this first exercise. SAS property means two side and that two side including angle we call it as SAS property. Then next ASA property means two angles and that two angles like this. Two angles B angle and C angle. Example. They including which side they including BC side it including. So B angle and C angle including side asking time BC is the included side. Two angle and it including side property we call it as ASA property. Two angle and side property. One more property is the AAS property. AAS property means two angle and any side, not including side, any side of that triangle is belonging means we can say it to satisfying AAS property. I hope you can understand this. AAS property means two angle and any side of the triangle including means you can say it is satisfying AAS property. So now we going to exercise the second question. Here what they given there A, B, C, D is a quadrilateral and which are the sides are equal. AD side and BC side of that quadrilateral are equal. Already they given the diagram and this line represent equality. They are equal. This line representing and which are the angles? Angle A and angle B are equal. Where that's why in diagram they marking angle A and angle B are equal. DAB and CBA, B vertex angle become equal. They given in the question. What they ask to prove? Three cases we want to prove. How to prove? A first case, two triangle. Which are the triangle they mentioned? ABD triangle. This triangle ABD triangle and BAC triangle BAC. These two triangles we want to prove that the two triangle become a congruent. How to prove? We required three conditions. In triangle case, how many elements are there means 6 elements are there. What are the 6 elements? Three triangle have 3 sides and 3 angles. They are known as 6 elements. In that 6 elements, any 3 elements apply conditions are applying, then you can say that two triangle become a congruent triangle. Any 2 conditions, that is the meaning. Any 3 conditions applying and say that triangle satisfy ASA or SAS or AAS property. For that here first case we want to prove. So geometry proving type, what are the things we required? 4 steps are required. One is given, second is to prove, third step is construction, fourth step is proof case. Here extra constructions are not there, that's why we can skip construction step. Remaining 3 steps we required. Then given case, what are the information given in the question? That one short formula, right? What are the instruction they given? A, B, C, D is a quadrilateral. It given like that. A, B, C, D is a quadrilateral. That information first of all we write. Next another thing, AD side and BC side are equal. Next angle case, angle D CAB and angle CB, B angle and A angle are equal. Here angle reading time 3 alphabets, already we discussed that 3 alphabets are needed, but here middle alphabet only we can say, that is the vertex. So we can say A angle and B angle are equal. These are the things given in the question. Second step is to prove what we want to prove. These 3 cases once again write first, second, third. Once again these 3 cases to prove place we want to write. Next fourth step, next third step, how to write proof is the next. I write here space here to write proof. Proof case how we can write first what they asking. First case we go into proving. What they ask, which here are so many triangles. How many triangles can able to see in this diagram? So many are there. A B D A B C A. Next here like this way different triangles we can able to see. But which are the 2 triangles they mentioned? That 2 triangle take and proving. Which are the 2 triangle? In triangle ABD and which is a second triangle, triangle BAC. These 2 triangle consider 3 elements are conditions are applied there. Any 3 elements. We know how many elements are there? 6 are there. In that 6, any 3. So first basis of diagram we are applying that 3 elements. In this diagram, see which are the triangle ABD. This triangle ABD in diagram, ABD triangle and BAC. This 2 triangle. In this 2 triangle, which what we can say, already they mark BC side and AD side case. So we can say AD side is equal to BC side. It is given in the question. So first case completed. First elementary part completed. Next what we can say, angle case we can tell. Which angle? With respect to ABD triangle, A angle. With respect to BC, ABC triangle, B angle case they given in the question. That matter also here we read. That one we can write. Second condition place we can write angle DAB and angle CBA are equal. They are given in the question. So 2 conditions completed. One more condition. What we can say here, see. In ABD triangle and ABC triangle, which side is common for both triangle? AB side is common. In ABD triangle, AB side is there. ABC triangle, AB side is there. That side is common for both. That situation we can write AB side is equal to AB side. So 3 conditions are satisfied. That's why we can say our 2 which are the triangle. Therefore our required triangle ABD is congruent to triangle BAC. By which property? That property name also right. How to identify the property name? Here this represent as a side. This is angle. Third condition tells about side, angle, side. So side, angle, side we call it as SAS property. SAS property. So we can say that 2 triangles are congruent with using which property? SAS property. I hope you can understand the first case. So we proved first case. Here this 3 case means once again this part right only. These 3 conditions right in the to prove case. I hope you can understand how to prove the first case. Then next we want to prove second case. Second case about how to prove second case. Here continuation again. Second case how to prove means we know that in triangle 6 elements are there. Here are 3 elements already completed. Remaining 3 also equal. What is the reason? Why? Because here already we proved that the two triangles are equal. That's why any aspect BD and AC. Here see, BD is the side of a ABD triangle. AC is a side of a ABC triangle. That side also become a equal by which in which way we can write? By CP CT. So second case we can write it as, and again once again we write, already we proved that ABD triangle is congruent to triangle BAC. That's why the second part to BD side is equal to AC side by CPCT. That is the second case. Then same way third case how to write angle case. Already here element cases 6 are there, now 4 are there, remaining also angle case or side case they are equally. Remaining angle case also what happened, they also become equal, they are the part of the 6 element. So there also directly we can write, already we proved that ABD triangle is congruent to BAC triangle. That's why angle ABD is equal to angle BAC by which what we can write? By CPC. CPCT means what? Corresponding part of a congruent triangle. I hope you can understand this one. So this part complete after second and third were writing. Then next third question. Third question they tells about third question. In third question, here one diagram they given, like this way diagram they given. Here AB side is there, here BA, and this part and this part they given, and they are joining. This part given as a B, C and D marking the BC side and AD side are equal. These two sides intersect, lines intersecting part, mark it as O. A diagram is given in this way and tells that BC is the perpendicular to AB side and AD line is perpendicular to AB side. And prove that, show means prove that CD line bisect means cutting AB line. CD line bisect AB line. That is the meaning of the third question. We want to prove this thing. So how to prove? First here three case here extra construction note. Then same way here they marking as angle B and angle A are 90 degrees. This matter also marked in the diagram. Given case. What information we can write here? We can write that given place. Here BC line is perpendicular to AB side. Next AD line is perpendicular to AB side. These are the two information we can write. But then we want to prove CD bisect AB side. Then to prove what we want to prove? Prove that CD bisect AB side. Bisect means it cutting. Bisection means cutting. Cutting CD line is cut, AB line means cutting time it divide into two lines which are the OA line and OB line. So we can say that OA line is equal to OB line. CD bisect AB means it cut into two equal side which are the OA and OB line. We want to prove these things. Here construction not that, that's why directly we can go through proof case. Then always a geometry case, triangle chapter, we need a two triangles, then only we can able to proving. Here in this diagram, how many triangles are there? Two triangles are there. Which are they? OAD, OBC triangle are there. So we can consider that two triangle. In triangle AOD and triangle BOC triangle consider. Then prove that any three element we want to prove in any three. In the diagram, what are the elements you can tell. Here already they mark that AD side and BC side of the second triangle are equal. AD side of the first triangle is equal to BC side of the second triangle they given in the question. Next, angle A and angle B, the symbol represent a 90 degree. They are 90. But angle wise reading time, angle A comes as middle alphabet. AOAD and angle OBC, they make a how much degree? 90 degree. Two cases completed. Next, we can say in both triangle O vertex, O angle is common for both angle. Which are the two angles? Triangles OAD and OBC. Triangle case, O angle is common there, but they are vertically opposite to that. So that matter we can angle wise writing time. BO comes vertex BOC is equal to here first triangle we mentioned it. So angle AOD is equal to angle BOC. O vertex O angle comes on the middle alphabet. So it is a common. They are vertically opposite. They are vertically opposite angle. So three conditions are satisfied. So that's why what we can say, therefore required, which are the required triangle? AOD triangle is congruent to second triangle. Which triangle? Triangle BOC is congruent. By which property? See, two angle and AD and BC represent side. These two conditions are angle. But carefully check which are the angles they mentioned there. A angle and B angle. Where? Here A angle and B angle. Then both are including which side? AD side and BC side. Here A and B are include in this line, but we get which side? BC and AD. They are on the another part of that another side, not including side. Actually including side is this is the AB is the including side, or OB or OA is the included side. But we get here they getting as a AD and BC. AD and BC are part of the two triangle, but it is not a included side of the angle A and B. In such case, which property we applying? Two angle and side is there, but which triangle property? AS property we are applying. AS property, they satisfying AS property. So that part complete. Next, what they asking actually? CD length. That's why they are equal means OA and OB are the part of the two triangle. By CPCT corresponding part of that two triangle. By CPCT we can prove that OA and OB are equally. So hence we can prove that CD bisect CD cutting which side? AB side. That is the meaning of this question. I hope you can understand this one. Then next fourth question. Fourth question, again another diagram is there. In that diagram they given us in this way. Fourth question diagram is two parallel lines. Two parallel lines are there. Name as L and M. Another two parallel lines are there. One is P, another is Q. P and Q. So two here horizontally two parallel line are there, L and M. Vertically two parallel line are there, P and Q. Alphabets here intersecting point A, B C and D. In this way they marking, and A to C also joining. Here they given information in this way. L and M are parallel, P and Q are parallel. Then we want to prove A, B, C here how many triangles we can able to see? Two triangles. Which are they? A, B, C triangle and ADC. Both are congruent triangle. We want to prove, that is the meaning of this question. So first, how to start a given case. Given case, what are the information? We can say L is parallel to M and P is parallel to Q. These are the information they gave. The next second step is to prove. What we want to prove? Prove a triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ADC. We want to prove these two triangles are a congruent triangle. Here also construction not there. Directly we skip that. Directly we can go through proof case. Proof case, what they asking is that two triangle consider. First of all, we can say write it as a here two triangle. Which triangle? ABC and a triangle ADC. We want to prove that two triangles are equal triangle. So that two triangle consider. Then what are the three conditions? We can say AC side of the first ABC triangle, AC side is including. In ADC triangle case, there also AC side is including. So AC side is common for the two triangle. First condition is AC side is equal to AC side. It is common side. First condition completed. Second conditions, in which way we can write? The last we learned, last chapter, lines and angles chapter we learned. Line L and M are parallel line. They are cutting by a transversal line AC. Then transversal line cutting, then they make an alternate. Alternate means Z shape angle. They make an alternate interior angle. Alternate interior angle reading time, see in this way V shape are there. Here alphabet, here A B C means and B C D means we read as ABC angle BCD, like this way only reading. That also remember. So they make alternate interior angle. So second case we can write that Z shape in which way? DAC is equal to ACD. This order we read. Angle DAC is equal to angle ACB angle. Reason, L is parallel to M line and it is alternate interior angle. That is the reason. Second condition completed. Third condition, same way how to take a P and Q are parallel lines. They are parallel lines. So they are also AC is the transversal line. P and Q are parallel lines. They make an alternate interior angle. How to make alternate interior angle? In which direction it will get into? This line case. Here in this way, Z shape is for BAC and ACD are equal. BAC is equal to angle ACD. Reason, P is parallel to Q and they make an alternate interior angle. One side and two angles we get. We completed this three conditions. That's why what we can say, these two triangles are congruent triangle. I write here as therefore we can say our required triangle, which are the required triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ADC. By which property? See, angle case, not directly write A as a property. First we check and tell you. A angle and C, aware that here A angle is there, C angle is there. Then which side they mention? AC is RC. A and C angle are lies in which side? AC side only. That only here mentioned. That's why they satisfy which property? ASA. I hope you can understand how we are applying ASA and AAS property here. Two angle are there, A and C angle, and these two angle belonging side is AC. That only our first condition. That's why here they satisfying a ASA property. Then you can, I hope you can understand this question. Next, one more question, fifth question. Fifth question also, and the diagram is there. They given another diagram in fifth question. Fifth question they gave another diagram. Here diagram is like this. One angle shape diagram. Then these two arms are mark it as here M and N. Then here A angle is cutting by another ray L. Then see they given us M and N are two lines and A angle is bisected by a line L and B is a point on the line L. B is a point on the line L and OP, BP and BQ are the perpendiculars. Perpendiculars means to make how much degree? 90 degree. Here also 90 degree. BP and BQ are the perpendiculars. BP is perpendicular to L line and BQ is perpendicular to M line. Then what they ask here also how many triangles we can able to see? Two triangles. Which are they? BAQ and BAP are the two triangles. They ask to prove the two triangles are a congruent triangle. Same way, second part also there we want to prove BP and BQ are equal. The two sides are equal side, or otherwise B is at equidistance. Equidistance means equal distance from the arms of a angle A. Equal distance from the arms of a angle A. So here L line is cut angle A means angle A is actually this one. Angle A is divided into another two angles. Which are they? BAQ, BAPR. They divide into two angles. So, given case. First we started with the given. What are the information they gave in the question? L is the L bisect angle A. L bisect angle A means bisect means cut the angle A. So it form another two equal angle. Which are they? BAP and angle BAQ. Both are equal. That's why we can say both angles are equal only. Then next to prove what they ask to prove, they form a two triangle. The two triangles are equal. First condition, BAP triangle and is congruent to triangle BAQ. These two triangles are congruent triangle. Second case, they ask to prove BP side and BQ side are equal. Or otherwise, you can write it as B is in equidistance. Equidistance means equal distance from the arms of angle A. Anyone you can prove that. So how to prove this? These are the two cases we want to prove. For next here also extra construction not there. So we can directly skip and go through proof case. Proof case, how to prove starting. What they ask to prove first, what they ask to prove, these two triangle are called we want to prove. The two cases we take. First case in we write it as in triangle BAP and triangle BAQ consider. BAQ consider. Then in the diagram what are the things we can say? Here in this two triangle AB side is common. In this two, here see ABQ triangle, AB side is including. In triangle BAP triangle case also AB side is including. So we can write AB side is equal in both cases. They are common in both triangles. So first condition completed. Next step. Here angle case. Which are the angle they mark? P angle and Q angle they given. How much degree that symbol represent? 90 degree. So angle wise reading time, P comes as a middle alphabet, Q comes as a that order. So angle AQB is equal to angle APQ. Any order you can read, but P and Q comes as a middle vertex. Then AQB and APB are equal. Here P and Q are equal angle only. We can say that. How much degree they make? 90 degree. Second condition is completed. In third condition already they given the line L bisect angle. That's why to form two equal angle. Which are they? Here I writing angle BAP, A vertex is equal to angle BAQ. BAQ it is given in the question given. So 3 element part were completed. We have total 6 are there. In that 6, 3 elements are completed. That's why what we can say, therefore our given triangle are a congruent triangle. Therefore which our required triangle is triangle BAP is congruent to triangle BAQ. By which property? Property write it carefully write. Here which angle? P and Q. Where P and Q are in this line. P and Q. And which side? AB side. AB side is this one. They are AB side is not included in the PQ side. It is the side of the triangle, but it not include in the P and Q angle. That's why here which property we applying? AAS not ASA property. Here we apply AAS. Why? Because two angle is there, but other side only, not included side. That is the reason. Here we apply AAS property. So the first part completed. Second part, how we can prove? Already we proved that two triangles are congruent. BP and BQ are the side of that same the two triangle. That's why that also equal only by CPCT. So once again that congruent triangle name right, triangle BAP is congruent to triangle BAQ. Then BP side and BQ side are equal by CPCT. Why? Because BP and BQ are the side of that given triangle. We proved that, or otherwise in this way, hence we can prove B is in equidistance from the arm of the angle. Therefore otherwise we can write B is here space note the last sentence. Therefore we can say B is in equidistance from arms of angle A. In this way write and stop this one. I hope you can understand this one, how to prove it. Remaining questions we can discuss on the next class. Thank you.